So my dear friend, whenever I try to add this video to my Filmora or any other video editor, you will get this HEVC codec error message. So how to solve this error message? So simply open google.com, type in click on this and HEVC to MP3. So you can simply convert it. Click on this link, first link, convertio, choose the file from here, HEVC to MP3. So choose the file from here. It is very easy. You don't need to download any software. Look for that file and the file is added. Now click on convert. So it will take some time according to your file size, and it will convert it to MP3 and it will then work perfectly fine. So do not need to download any external software because some softwares are paid as well. So you can go to this method. This is convertio.co mp3. You can simply go for this and it is very fast. You can see 67% is already done. So download is finished. Now let me open this file. Now again go to my video editor and try to add this file here, and this file is now added without any problem. So I hope friends now we will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.